Hello everyone and welcome to a new video on my channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how you make these little name tags over your head. So let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add the part that we're gonna have the GUI inside. So add a part and then set the size of the part to 1 by 1 by 1, just like this, and then set the transparency to 1, and then you're going to go to collision and turn off can collide, turn off can query, I don't know if I said that right, and turn off can touch. There we go. And now we're gonna add a billboard GUI, just like this. So it's going to look like this, and then we're gonna add a text label, just like this. And now, because you're gonna see this, it's gonna scale it's gonna become bigger when you go away from it. So how we fix that? We are gonna go to size, and instead of having it on the offset, as you can see here, the offset, we're gonna change it to scale. So here we're gonna set it to 1 and 1 on scale. So it's gonna look like that. Perfect. We're gonna do that on the billboard GUI too. So 1, just like that, 1 by 0 by 1 by 0. No, we're gonna put it to. So here, I think it is 2 or 3. I'm gonna put it at 3, just like that. Now you can change this size if you want to. But yeah, I think that looks good. And now we're gonna go to the text label and we're gonna put background transparency to 1 to make it invisible. So just like that. This is how it looks now. And then we're gonna go to text size and press text scale. So now the text is not gonna become bigger. So now everything is good, and I'm gonna make it look good. So I'm gonna put the text I'm gonna make it white, just like this. And then I'm going to put on Federal 1. And then I'm gonna add a UI stroke, just like this, and put it to about like 4, just like that. Or we can put the stroke to 3. So now we're going to name this part display part, and then we're gonna name this billboard GUI display, just like that. And now we're gonna put this display part inside of server storage. And then so when that's done, now we're gonna create a new script inside of server script service, and then we are going to type like this. So first we're gonna identify server storage, just like this, and then just like that. And then we're gonna call a function when the player gets added, and we're gonna do that by saying game.players.playerAdded connect function. And then we're gonna put player inside of these brackets, and now we know who the player is. And then we're gonna call another function when the character gets added, and we want to do this because when the player gets added, it takes some time for the character to be added too. So then we need to wait for the character to be added, and then we're gonna put character inside of these brackets, just like this. And now we're gonna identify the display part by typing local display part, and then referring it to as the server storage find first child part display part clone, just like that. And now we're gonna set the display part dot position, or the parent is going to be the player dot character, and then we're gonna set its position to the player's head, and then we're gonna move it up by 2. So let me just write this real quick. So we're gonna do player dot character dot head dot position, and then plus vector3 dot new, and then 0, 0, comma 2, comma 0, just like that. So now we've done the display part, and now we need to just fix. So we're gonna put local display, which is going to be the display, the text, the billboard GUI, and we're gonna do local display is equal to display part dot display, just like that. And then we're gonna set the display dot adorny. We don't have to do this now, but let's just do this right here. Display part, actually, just like that. And then we're gonna set its, so display dot text label dot text is going to be equal to the player's name, just like that. And now this is going to work, but you're gonna see that the if we play this, you're gonna see that it's just gonna fall through the ground and not stick to the player. So what we're gonna do, and make sure that the part right here is not anchored. So you're gonna see here, so this should not be, you can go down here and look at anchored, so this should be off. There should be no check mark in there. And let's go and create a weld. And what a weld does, it just sticks stuff together. So we're gonna do instance.new weld constraint, and then inside of the display part, and then we're gonna do weld dot part 0 is going to be equal to weld dot parent, since we put the display part as the parent, so this is going to be the display part. And then weld dot part 1 is going to be equal to player dot character dot head, just like that. And now we're done. So let's try to play this. Let's press play, and as you can see, it works. My name is Boss Game Hugo, and you're gonna see it's gonna display this as Boss Game Hugo. And yeah, it works. And thank you guys for watching. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like, and if something didn't work, make sure you check so you did everything correctly, and make sure you didn't spell anything wrong in the script, and leave a comment if anything is wrong, and I'll try to help you out. So see you guys, and goodbye.